down in LA, yeah.
I see you in the city, are you with me, baby? Damn, rock solid, bitch, I'm built different. Hey.
And bitch, they have an Earth Cafe here. Their food is literally trash and like an arm and a leg, but like they're bobas. How much is it? I don't know, bitch, but it's worth it. It's like a cup of heaven. Well, this bus has been honking for literally 20 minutes. Like, boy, get your road. Look at it. You hear that? We get it. Like, your car comes, well, your bus comes with a honking button, but like, doesn't mean you gotta use it. Yeah, that's all that shit down. So today we went to, what is it?
Uptown Cheapskate.
Yeah, and they gave me $20 for like 7 items. And they said they couldn't take my other stuff. But I was walking through the store and there was literally shirts with holes in them. Holes! But they couldn't take my new items.
Bullshit.
But that's none of my business. Oh, and then we went to Burlington and that thing was like huge, you know?
Okay, can I finish my story? Frank!
You're over here saying to update the people. What am I doing? Updating the people. Okay, so she gets a pillow and a pillowcase, and she says, what is this? Like, we're staying at the freaking Hilton to be freaking putting in her pillowcases for her. Gosh. Anyways. Gosh. Some people need to be
Humble fuck.
Okay, miss, I need to lay on my pillow to decide which one I want.
Okay, bitch. Do you want me to be like this, like, tomorrow, like, fucking cracking my neck every 5 seconds?
No!
That's what I said. Julie over here telling scary stories that apparently someone died in a chimney here, and I did not sign up for this Queen Mary's room. Oh, she said. Oh, different cities. That means an excuse to bring out the titty. Oh my God, she really put down her she put
It's Belela Throne.
down her bikini.
Oh, no, I found it.
And she said,
Well, you said it, so I did it.
there's a whole ass lifeguard. There's a whole ass fucking family over there. Bitch, look who just pulled up. And I, ooh. But yeah, we're here. They're gonna play badminton, but we're kind of lazy, so we're just gonna fuck around and eat this big ass bowl of fruit.
Where's the little thing?
Hey, you gonna eat it later though? So.
Hey, I want my ass to be back.
Yeah, ass fat. Yeah, no.
I said ass fat.
Yeah, no.
That part. Duh, me and Julia literally could not fall asleep last night.
I went to sleep at 4, and then you guys woke me up at 6, cracking up.
Esta! Shoot that!
You know why?
Because
It was really funny. Like, we were sitting down, and like our heads were up, and our butts were all the way down. Like, we were uncomfortable.
me and Brittany were balancing each other out. So she went to the bathroom, and when she went, bitch, I went straight to the floor. Okay, this is day 2. We'll see you later. This motherfucking ice cream truck is playing music. I've never seen that in my life. Well, like, they obviously play music, but like the typical like ice cream music, you know? Hopefully he doesn't think I'm trying to get something, because I'm not.
He's like, Buddha.
Bitch, we yes, please. Spin my feelings. Okay, I gotta go because I'm not trying to get copyrighted. Oh my, is my face burned too?
Face is burned too, yeah.
Oh no, this ain't it. Bitch, my foundation's gonna be like a fucking like, oh. What? You and me both, because bitch, what the fuck is going on here?
Show her back. Show her too.
Bitch, I know my back is bad. I'm white as fuck.
Bitch, look at my nose.
Is her bag. She literally has like this and this and everything, and she's super red. Yikes.
So. So yeah, we were at the freaking beach for like 4 hours, and
1, 2, 3, 4.
and it's really bad. Like look at my butt. Beep. We all got it. It's really bad.
It burns that bad.
Girl,
I got brown. I did get burned. Look.
whatever makes you sleep at night.
I'm not burnt. I'm just brown.
Girl, your legs are red.
Okay, that's right.
That's red. Yeah, we know.
Yeah, we know.
We're here at Waba Grill, and I got a steak bowl with veggies. So she got tofu. How are you liking it so far? This is why she's not a review channel, girl. You have 10 fingers. You can review with numbers.
The tofu is good. Good consistency. Broccoli. Nice and crunchy. Definitely good broccoli.
Okay, now she's going really in. She's like, and like the bowls are like plastic and they're like really sturdy. So, like 1 out of 10.
I'm gonna give it like an 8.
Okay, we have the veterans review.
I'm over here.
Oh,
I got steak, chicken, and white rice. And I love that shit. 10 out of 10.
what was it?
Customer service?
Spicy waffle, and you're like,
10 out of
yeah,
10.
it's spicy. And I was like, okay.
I prefer spicy.
Okay, so this is a spicy waffle. We're gonna do a little taste test. If she can fucking open it. Wow. Oh. This is fraud. I'm Mexican, I can't. What is...
Let me taste it. I'll tell you if it's spicy.
You think everything's spicy?
She's gonna like, oh my god, I taste the pepper. It's spicy?
A little bit.
Try it.
I can taste any spice. Like, you put a little bit, I'll taste it. Sorta. If you take a lot. Because you just barely licked it.
I definitely tasted it.
Okay,
Take a shot.
so far, it's looking like a 4. Okay, so far, meat flavor is good. The warmth, not there. Maybe when you put it in a big portion, there's a little more spicy.
I told you.
But it's kind of like, come on, it's salty. I don't know. I mean, it's like a simple, like, you know, little rice bowl. Hold on. We're gonna work some magic. I'm gonna say a good step. Okay, me and her already fucked it up. She's still like, you know, going. And then there's Julie. Oh no. My freaking god, you guys, it's freaking Laura's Boutique. Live, like, yes, neon moment.
Another one. Hi, I'm going baby on baby.